Alright everyone, Andy's Randomness here. Today is Friday, November 29th, 2024, and I have been reevaluating my radio reception on both the Midland WR300 right here, my version 5, and my Sangean CL100. So I had to make a difficult decision based on the RDS and based on which radio was going to tone the alerts. So as you see here, the antenna is in the best position right here for my WR300.
The pressure was 29.90 inches and steady.
And this is picking up
Elsewhere in New Jersey at 10 a.m.
KZC31.
It was sunny with a temperature of 43.
So a little scratchy.
It was mostly sunny with a
But if I
temperature
back
of
up,
43 at Morristown, 41 at Caldwell,
the radio reception comes in very well.
44 at Somerville.
Now, if we try to pick up KZC31 on this radio, and I'm sorry if the camera is not focused at the moment, but I just want to show you something.
37 at Hayes.
Problem is, I can't keep this on KZC31 anymore. And I made that difficult decision because look at this. I'll show you guys something really cool. Yep! I fixed the RDS on WHUD. And not only that, the reception here, and you saw it in the Rickroll video back on Wednesday, the RDS does come up. Now here's the problem with K-Joy. How come the RDS shows, but it's not working today? Very weird. Yes, K-Joy's RDS is now... Oh, there we go. Now it comes in. Alright, there you have it. But I just wanted to show you guys the new setup. Let's just make sure this is good one more time.
This afternoon, chance of precipitation 20%. Tonight, partly cloudy with isolated flurries.
And I'll mention before the video ends here. If you guys didn't see State College WX's live stream back on Wednesday, he was very disappointed that he did not have a radio set to Mount Holly Station. You guys know back on Wednesday when I caught the KZC31 test, I had to make sure one radio was set. So this was the one set to KZC31. So this is going to be set to KWO35. Just play it here for 1 second. Alright, so there's OKX. Upton's right there. And here's Mount Holly. So Mount Holly tested early. I don't want to miss another Mount Holly test. So if it happens again, I'm prepared. So that is the setup right here, guys. I hope that you understand what I had to do here to make this setup work, and I'm very happy with it. So that's it. Just a brief video here on this last Friday of November. The holiday season is now underway, and I guess we should just embrace it and enjoy it, knowing how short it feels, and it'll be like that next year because Thanksgiving will fall on November 27th. So that's it, guys. End the video here. Bye now.